How to change your Moneyline repayment date. Changing your repayment date with the Moneyline can be a straightforward process. If you need to adjust your schedule to better fit your budget, here's how we can do it. First, open up your Moneyline app and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you are in, simply tap on the dollar icon which is in bottom left. Tap on it. That will open up you an interface where you can see a several option. Among the several options, you can see a loans to, which is the second one. Tap on it. On this section, you will see your current loan details right here. However, I haven't taken any loan yet, but I will be guiding you throughout the process. After you found your current loan details, look for the repayment or payment settings option. Tap on it. This is where you will find all the information related to your payment schedule. Now, you should see an option that changes repayment date. Click on it. Moneyline typically allows you to pick a new date that suits your financial planning. Just select a date from the calendar that works better for you. Before finalizing, double-check your fees or the changes that may apply. Once you are sure about the new date, confirm the change. You should now receive a notification or a confirmation message indicating that your repayment date has successfully updated. That's it. Changing your repayment date can help you manage your finances better and avoid your late fees too. If you have any question or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the Moneyline's customer support for the assistance. And there you have it. Simple steps to help you keep your repayments on track. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.